Well, when I got to the White House in the beginning of 2009, at the start of the Obama administration, the White House was anything but open. Bomb blast curtains covered my windows. We were running Windows 2000. Social media were blocked at the firewall. We didn't have a blog, let alone a dozen Twitter accounts like we have today. I came in to become the head of open government, to take the values and the practices of transparency, participation, and collaboration, and instill them into the way that we work, to open up government, to work with people. But social media do teach us something. Why is Twitter so successful? Because it opens up its platform. It opens up the API to allow hundreds of thousands of new applications to be built on top of it so that we can read and process information in new and exciting ways. We need to think about how to open up the API of government. And the way that we're going to do that, the next great superpower is going to be the one who can successfully combine the hierarchy of institution, because we have to maintain those public values, we have to coordinate the flow, but with the diversity and the pulsating life and the chaos and the excitement of networks, all of us working together to build these new innovations on top of our institutions to engage in the practice of governance.
But what do we do about the secrecy, which does not seem to be abating, which does not seem to be getting better, in connection with national security, in connection with military secrets? How do we deal with the endemic corruption that so many governments and societies suffer from? It's all well and good to talk about spending data sets or even tax returns, but how do we really transform a culture of secrecy and corruption that has plagued us for so long? How does any of this help with that? We can begin to crack open the door, if you will, and to combat the problems of secrecy and the problems of corruption, not by tackling them head-on, as we've tried to do for so long, and I think not as successfully as we would have liked, but by coming at the problem from the side, if you will, by tackling these other areas where we desperately need government to work better and to deliver better services.